Learning to draw can be intimidating. It is challenging and it causes us to face our flaws directly. And we are always afraid of creating something that looks unattractive. One of the best ways to break through this obstacle is to draw from nature. Nature is much less critical than other challenges in art. Let's learn how to draw a tree. Nature is chaotic and forgiving. We can worry less about perfect lines or symmetry and just focus on the art of drawing. Drawing trees is relaxing. It's a great hobby that you can practice anywhere and anytime. What's more, a good finished tree drawing looks great in a frame, and you can keep it as a proud reminder of your artistic journey. This class is taught digitally for demonstration purposes, but intended equally for anyone with a pencil and paper or any type of drawing tablet. You can follow along however you like. The goal is simply to understand how to draw trees in a way that is fun and easy to follow. I look forward to seeing you in the first class. Let's get started and draw a tree.